And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you a sucked in effect. You can use it for transitions or in an outro. I'm going to use a simple image. It also works on video footage. Just go to Effects menu, type in Lens Distortion, and under Distortion, so under Video Effects Distortion, you will find it. Drag and drop it on your file. Under Window you will find the Effects menu, and we also need the effect controls. Here's our lens distortion, and we want to play around with the curvature. It goes from 100 to -100. You can start at 0. Click on the clock icon to start your animation at the starting point, go to the end point, create a new keyframe, and then make that -100. And now we've got this effect. It's a little bit slow, so we can simply adjust that by dragging this keyframe a little bit further to the left. And now it goes faster. I'll make it even shorter like this, and it goes much faster. You can also see that our black hole is not exactly in the center, so we want to play around with the position right here. And additionally, we want to scale it up in the end so that we've got a fully black screen. And we can use the scaling. I go to the starting position, click on the animation icon. We keep the position. And now we want to go to this keyframe for the curvature of the lens distortion, and then click on this icon to create a new keyframe for the scaling, and then scale it up until you have a black screen. So 150 is not enough. Now let me try 180, that should be fine. But now the scaling is a problem for this sucked in effect, so I'll just move the first keyframe to the right. And now we only got the scaling in the end, which sucks in the image even more. Now you can press C at the position where this animation stops and cut your clip. And now you can use it as a transition, or as I've said, as an outro, whatever you want to have. And this is how you can create this suck in effect in Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.